So like the rest of the world, when the pandemic hit, film and television production stopped. It was an unprecedented time. I can't think of another time in our generation when that has happened. So the industry really came together and joined forces, and led by the British Film Commission, put together safety protocols to allow the production wheels to start turning again. And it was a really momentous effort really to get that to happen. And we're so proud of how the industry came together. We created a new role called the COVID supervisor, which would work between the health and safety departments and between production management, because if you think about it, there's hundreds of people involved in a big film set. So lots has changed, and we're just so pleased that production kept moving forwards. Despite the disruption that COVID brought, film and television production was able to get back into production during the summer of 2020. That said, this summer 2021 looks incredibly busy as we have more and more content to make. So a busy time ahead, an exciting time ahead for the industry. The advice that I would give to students and graduates is tenacity, be determined, don't give up at the first hurdle. It's not always easy, it can take some time, but don't give up. But things that you can do in the meantime is to watch as much film and television as you can, even outside of your own preferred genres, so that you're able to engage in conversations, look at new production techniques and see what the world is talking about. Also make your own content. There's lots of opportunities with your iPhone. Create your own website. Start building your own brand. Don't wait for the phone to ring. Make it happen yourself.